Okay, tubers, this is where Fensterfarm all began. We are at Epcot Center in Florida. We did this
11 years ago.
11 years ago. This is where it all began. I'll show you what I'm talking about.
I'm going to put my mask back on if I get in trouble.
Yeah, we're going to get in trouble.
Voyage of discovery and awareness, the richness and diversity, and often surprising nature of living with the
My
land.
son David and Ayako.
Our journey begins as dramatic and sudden changes are sweeping over the land.
It is
The approaching storm may seem violent and
mandated
destructive
that we
to us,
wear masks
but to
indoors,
nature,
so
it's a new beginning in the
indoors.
cycle of life.
Living with the land.
Water from the flowing mud, extracting precious nutrients and minerals. These elements, when combined with sunlight, create the diverse living systems of our planet. One of those living systems is the rainforest, home to the most amazing concentration of life on our planet. These dense and beautiful forests cover only a tiny portion of the Earth's surface, but they contain more than half of its plant and animal species. Rainforests are also extremely rich and productive living systems, providing us with oxygen, food, medicine, and other elements essential to our lives.
Here's Amanda.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound effects. The need to produce food for a growing world led to the enormous use and sometimes overuse of the land. In our search for more efficient ways to grow food, we often fail to realize the impact of our methods. Today, we're learning to live with the land, discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental well-being.
Here at Epcot, we're learning to reduce the need for chemical pesticides and natural predators like ladybugs and wasps to control pests. In the farmlands across America, we're learning that by plowing under vegetation containing natural fertilizers, we can enrich the soil without the use of chemicals. In arid regions, we're learning to produce food on desert seacoasts by developing and planting crops that thrive on saltwater. In Japan,
How will we meet tomorrow's growing needs for food production, yet still respect the needs of the land? Some of the answers are being discovered just ahead. To help us maintain these carefully controlled ecosystems, and for your safety, Please remain seated in your boat at all times.
We went through there last time. We went through there last time, the research center.
Welcome to our glimmering greenhouses, where scientists from Epcot and the U.S. Department of Agriculture illuminate the wondrous gifts we receive from the land. Join us as we ring in the most bountiful time of the year. For some, it's difficult to imagine the holidays without winter and snow, but one of the most important holiday crops actually grows in the tropics. For centuries, farmers in Central America have cultivated cacao to make chocolate. In fact, cacao is chocolate's main ingredient. Today, people around the world are able to enjoy a variety of sweets and keep warm with a cup of hot cocoa, thanks to this tropical plant.
I'll hold you in my
Yeah. Squash from the ceiling. Cool, huh? Okay, this is where it all began, though, for the hydroponics.
When you think of holidays, you might not think of fish, but seafood is an essential part of many festive meals.
We started out with
Southern
tilapia.
Italy, family and friends
aquaponics.
gather once a year to celebrate Guava June with a 7-course seafood dinner. Tilapia, bass, and shrimp, like the ones raised here using our sustainable water systems, make up just some of the dishes served during this grand meal. Today, in the United States, the tradition is known as the Feast of the Seven Fishes.
Look at the catfish.
Huh?
So look at the catfish.
I know. You do know if you got enough fatness in here, you gotta, you can't use it.
That's bio strength. That's bio
What?
where it increases the amount of surface that can get some of the nutrients from the
Where
fish
fresh
food.
fruit is rare in winter, they're much harder to find, making them an extra special stocking stuffer. During Chinese New Year, these vibrant fruits are given as gifts of good fortune.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass,
I'm gonna grow that.
basil. That's basil and opal basil.
Why?
I grow that. Peppers over there.
Drink coffee? What?
They say it's better to give than to receive. And in this greenhouse, we're celebrating the holidays by giving back to the land using innovative farming techniques. By recycling water, we can give plants rich nutrients. By giving plants ladybugs, we're able to control pests and reduce the need for pesticides. And by growing
When I
ground
saw
plants
those
vertically,
melons
we give them
and
better protection
they actually have
from
watermelons growing from the
Look
ceiling.
at the eggplant.
Yeah, eggplants. I said I got to do this.
Oh, baby, I hate to say this, but I think we need to
There we
build
go.
another greenhouse. I think we need to build another greenhouse. We got, what, 2 more we can build out there?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
That's what we did. Yeah, this is from there.
Those are actually made by Crop King.
No, they could be from somewhere.
Nope, those are Crop King. It says it on there.
With these gifts, our plants can grow an abundance of festive vegetables. This greenhouse alone grows a bountiful 15
Yeah.
tons of produce each year.
Tomatoes growing from
We receive,
the top.
making the most of the land's green gifts.
And this is how we do it. Look, this is. Yeah. Those are. Hey, look at this over here. That's the tomato system.
Oh yeah, that's what we do.
That's how we do it.
Oh, microgreens.
Yeah.
And that is.
Many of the plants you see
That
here
is not
help
done with
spice
that.
up the
That is-
Let's see
holidays.
this.
The bark of cinnamon trees, like the
They're
one
growing that in.
is used to make
rock
cinnamon
wool.
sticks. You like eggnog? You can make nutmeg for its signature
Okay.
taste. Other spices, like ginger and vanilla, add flavor to a
Ginger.
variety of holiday cookies,
Yeah.
cakes, and other delights. By
These are-
cultivating
those are
these
called
festive plants
towers.
with care and good cheer,
Yeah, a lot of people
Epcot
can do that.
scientists are able to celebrate the holidays with the land's many
And
gifts.
we don't have to come to the record. Oh my God. What is that? Squash? What is that?
That's squash, I guess. That looks like cabbage, though.
I know that's what it's thinking. That looks like squash.
That's
there.
interesting
That's
how
squash
they're
over
doing
there,
it.
but I don't know what that is there.
That is interesting how they're doing it. A lot of this wasn't this way when we came through.
What now?
This is new. A lot of this stuff is new.
Many of the plants you see here help spice up the holidays. The bark of cinnamon trees, like the one in
Yep.
Okay, then.
These greenhouses represent just a fraction of the work being done worldwide to produce bountiful harvests for our growing population. Scientists, farmers, and even backyard gardeners are doing their part to improve the quantity and quality of foods that we all rely upon. Together, we can continue to find more ways to increase food production and protect our precious natural environment with the land.
Okay. Now you can see where this all came from.
I don't know about y'all, but this gets me really excited.
On
I think we may
behalf
have to
of
go
Walt
through
Disney
again
World,
and just.
we hope you've enjoyed this.
Yeah, we missed a lot of it
Your
because
R&D
we're filming.
laboratory.
Huh?
If you'd like
Missed a
to
lot
know
of it because we're trying to
then
film
check
it.
out the
Yeah.
behind
Well,
the
I'm just
scenes
trying to see
walking
it on
tour.
tour to see it
It's a
from
chance
here.
for the whole family to
Thankfully,
get
this
up
is
close
something
and
that doesn't
personal
have a long
with the
line.
plants and growing techniques. in
Thanks,
our
guys.
laboratory.
Bye.
God bless. We'll see you next time. Go grow something in some dirt,
Please keep your hands
fish water, some nutrient solutions, whatever it takes to do it. Bye.
For our growing